Alright everyone, tonight we will be making one of my favorite Hmong dishes, zaub hao nga ga. I will be teaching you how to make this for yourself at home. So the first thing that I do after I wash the zaub is separate the white stem from the leafy green part, and I will chop them up into decent sized squares because they cook at different times. I'm going to be putting them in the pot separately. The easiest way for me to keep the cook times correct is to put the white stem part in about 5 minutes before you put in the leafy green part of the zaub. This will provide enough time for the thicker white pieces of the zaub to get tender before you put in the greener pieces. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put the bones in with an onion and some stems of the cilantro just to get a good taste for the broth. Here it looks like my cat Google is coming out of his little house that I built for him because, well, he smells the zaub hao cooking. It looks like he's gonna have to wait a little longer, and so am I, so I grabbed some of my favorite Meska snacks. There's a picture of my family, Pennsylvania, and I would also like to give a shout out to the cheerful giver who gave me these 2 Hmong dolls. Here I start to put in the chunks of chicken that I had cut prior, and I had already gotten the bone off, and then you're going to go ahead and scrape the top of all chang that is right at the top after you boiled it for a little while. Now, like I said, 5 minutes before the green zaub, you put in the white stem and then top it off with the green zaub after about 5 minutes. Alright, wait another 5 minutes and boil it uncovered, and then it looks like we're just about to get ready to eat. The next ingredient is the absolute most important, and that is the kutsal. You're going to add the pepper and stir it in. Some things that you can do is eat this with rice, or you can get some mung bean noodles. Ha, on te pe no pe tao vang ju. To gang da pe tao no okay. Oh yeah, that's what it's all about right here. Gang hein bu ya. Alright, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. And 讨番剧风跟梦中美。